Now, salmon guys really take care of packaging, and you can see by the way everything was shipped over here in inside a box that just about right for the size of that key, and all of that bunched up paper in there made sure that the key itself that's inside a plastic bag wouldn't rattle around the box. So it had quite a ways to travel. So, but they always make sure that everything's packaged all right. And as you can see, okay, so we lifted the cover off. Well, there we have it. That's the PR-303. That was put together by Technics, and basically what we need to do here is we need to replace this key of A right here. I don't know if we can get in there, but okay, you can see we've got the old floppy unit backed out of the way. So roughly 6 screws holding this down. We had 2 in here that went into the control board itself, and then the rest of those screws were 1, 2, 3, and 4 going into the bottom board right here. So that loosened up the unit, and all we need to do is just back it out of the way so it won't interfere with anything. Now, there's no all we need to do now is needed for this. Make a little room. All you need is a very long bit that will attach to a power drill. In my case, I've got one of those, and it works just fine. You can see that this one is about 5 inches long, and it'll allow you to kind of dig in there and, without anything else getting in the way. You can just find your screw and back it out of there, and that's simple as this. So the entire unit basically can be taken apart with this Phillips bit. That's a number 2 bit, and you can work your way around the entire instrument with just this one tool. So let's go ahead and what you got to do is you got to do the rest kind of pull up on it and unhook it, and that takes it loose. You got to do the same thing at the other end over there. So just kind of raise and push back, and you've got the entire thing. So here's the little spring that I was talking about. Basically, it just kind of hooks into the bottom of the key where it came unhooked. As you push back, the entire key is going to come right out of there. So, so let me push it back in its spot, and you can hear it when it goes in. Oops, not quite. I got to get it from the other end. There you go. So, okay, we're down to the last couple of screws. There's one that goes right down there. Okay, and now we're down to the last one, which goes right there. Well, girl, looks like we got set up all right. Thanks to Sam and the boys. Let's try this. Oh, she plays great. She sounds great. Good feel to it. All right, let's try it out. That's the one here.